This is lead set, Watersham QRA, 4-1 and 4-2 advised when airborne.
TPO, just had a report from Germany. They've just about collapsed in front of us. We need to start moving very rapidly. Brief all your guys that we've launched everything that we've got to meet this big raid that is coming in, that's just disappeared from Brock-Seahawk. Get on with it.
Thank you, Ma'am. Okay, everyone, listen in. Tracker 1, I want to extend your area of coverage to the extent of the radar cover. An identification and recognition officer, I want you to look particularly for air-to-surface missiles launched from aircraft some distance out.
Watersham QRA, airborne, turning on heading 050.
Going to controllers 1, 4 and 5.